Lepp, aka Third Eye of Time and Lepp, Massacre Music Group, and today I'm going to Boston. Let's get it. So I was supposed to do this last night, but I didn't. I fell asleep. So this is what the box that I was so excited about. This is it. It's called the Road Chill. I found this in my basement. And this box, what this does, it's a refrigerator for your car. Like literally, it's a refrigerator. Look at this thing. So it plugs into your cigarette lighter or whatever you want to call it. It comes with a little plug right here. But it's quite literally a refrigerator for your car. You can do hot or cold though. So if you have like a hot coffee that you want to keep hot, you can do that as well. This thing is so sick. I'm like so excited. So yeah, we're gonna plug this in and take a drive to Boston, and hopefully I can show you what it does in a little bit. Oh look, you lay it down and that's a cup holder. Cools to an average of 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Food or drinks, but we're gonna go put this in the car and get out of here because we're late. And by the way, Ivy Material Clothing made this shirt. Very sick. I will put the link in the description or like there or something. So right now we are leaving my house in Nashua to bring a bunch of stuff to Chelsea's new apartment in Boston. Got the fridge going, all plugged in. We'll see. I'll give you an update in a minute. Went to the store, got a drink for the fridge, and this is the test, man. Putting it in. Come back to it in a little bit. So I forgot that we had to go, well, we forgot that we had to print out her resume. So we just stopped at Staples, did that, and now we're actually on the way to Boston. We just got to Chelsea's new apartment in Boston, so let's go check this out. Brought a bunch of stuff into Chelsea's new place, and now we're gonna go get some food. Some food, dude. You hungry? She's so hungry. She's not even just regular hungry, she's so hungry. This is pretty cool though, man. Heart of the city. So we just sat down at like this really, really beautiful restaurant, Echo. Nice menu, not too big, but it's just beautiful here. It really is. It's so nice. There's a nice little butter, some red pepper flakes, but they serve you your bread in this beautiful little box. And I have a beautiful girl with me. I got my chicken parm going. Chelsea's got these fish tacos. So, we just left the restaurant. It was amazing, and now I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but keep you informed. You're coming with us, so let's go. I was sitting inside my house editing pretty much what you've seen so far, and I looked out the window and it just looked so fucking nice outside. I had to get in the car, and I'm going to the skate park, man. I have to. It's too nice. I don't know how many more nice days we're gonna have like this. Before I know it, I'll be snowboarding, and there'll be snowboarding vlogs, so I'm gonna go skate right now. Yeah, man, I woke up at like the ass crack of dawn this morning, terrible migraine, and so I went home, did some editing, and I'm just gonna see how the day goes. Got the refrigerator for the car going. Just got food at probably one of my favorite places in Pepperell, C&S Pizza. Wow, look at that. Looking good. But yeah, food was really good. Ham and cheese sub. Just pulled up to the Pepperell skate park, and let me flip this. It's absolutely empty. There's nobody here. Here's a weird fact about myself. I always ride my skateboard, every skateboard I've ever had, I ride it backwards. I ride it with the tail being the nose and the nose being the tail. Usually a board, the nose of it's bigger for nollie tricks, but I use the bigger side as the tail. I don't know, I've just always done it. So I'm gonna just show you some of the features at this park. First of all, we got this rail. I really like this rail. You can come up it, you can go down it. We got these really, really nice hubbas. To me, I don't really use the hubbas as much. Got one on the other side as well. I don't use the hubbas as much. I would rather slide than grind, if that makes any sense. You go down here, you got this hump. I'm not even really sure what we call this, but it's cool. It's pretty much a speed builder, you know. And then we have this nice quarter pipe section, which is probably hard to see because it's in the shade. Nice whip to it, whip you right back around. Either way you go, doesn't matter. And then this is a really pretty cool feature at this park. This is the pizza. You know, you got a nice little transfer, but the crust is what people seem to enjoy about this. Tiny, maybe 2 feet, but it's fun. And then obviously the backside of the hubbas, we have a nice little tiny roll right here. But yeah, so that's Pepperell, man. Sketch. Phone's dying, camera died, so I'm gonna have to find a place to recharge so I can continue this vlog. At my mom's house, look what she's watching. My show. This is my childhood dog right here. This is my puppy, Belladonna. She's very old. Lady.
Beautiful lady.
Come here, Bella. She's very old now. How old is Bella? She's 13 years old, this pup.
14 today.
She's 14 today?
Yesterday, on the 11th.
Bella! Yeah. Why didn't you say so, Bella?
His birthday yesterday.
That's why you're all looking nice. Look at this beautiful dog. Happy birthday, Bella. This is what my stepdad got my kid.
Wow, you go fast. Nice job. On your knees.
Ready?
Go.
Hey! So that's gonna do it for this vlog. I was editing and I realized that I never shot an outro. So I'm just gonna end it right there, man. Had a nice night with my parents, ate some shepherd's pie, and yeah, man, so that's where it's gonna end. But till next time, peace. Subscribe, like, and comment, please.